Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some of the products that went viral and if I really like them or not. I mean, by the title, you already know that I love these products. All of them, by the way, are under 1,000 rupees. I have just come back from a wedding and right now all the end of season sales are happening. So yeah, I really wanted to film this video for you guys and that's why you see this half gone henna. But yeah, you might see some vlogs coming up, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now without further ado, let's get started. If I do not start the video with this, it'll be a sin. I'm talking about the Plum's Caramello Body Lotion. Now to be honest, Plum has been a very hit or miss brand for me. Like 90% of their products have been misses for me and this did not disappoint. So you guys already know how much I love the Plum's Vanilla Caramello perfume, which I've already shared in my MT's video. Like I finished that perfume in 1.5 months. This I didn't get a chance to try, but I finally did, and oh my god, this didn't disappoint me. It is 99% close dupe of Sol de Janeiro. And by the way guys, the only difference is the consistency. The Sol de Janeiro one is a bit more thicker and hydrating, whereas this is a bit more lotion like, and it's fine. I have been obsessed with this. I love it. It's so good. Perfect for winters, perfect for people like me who love caramel vanilla scent. So yeah, and it's also extremely affordable. I think Plum nailed it with their Caramello range. I just love it. I hope they come out with an underarm roll-on also for the same, because I really like it. So yeah, I would 100% recommend this. There's a reason why it went viral and I stand by it. Second item that went viral and I was quite intrigued to buy it is the Tipsy Beauty Silk Cushion Contour. I love the Charlotte Tilbury Cushion Blush. I have the blush and the Beauty Wand, which is the highlighter. I actually ran out of my cream contour and I wanted to try one, and of course this was everywhere on my feed, so I had to get it. Guys, this did not disappoint me. Of course, people say it's a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury. It is a dupe. I do not disagree on that. I mean, at a point I thought that nobody can dupe the formulation of Charlotte Tilbury, but Tipsy Beauty just nailed it. It's a perfect cushion foundation. To be honest, I really like the cushion applicator also. It's so high quality compared to any other that's available in the market. I love it. The contour is super creamy. I have gotten the shade Maple Syrup. I think there's just two shades. One is like a medium dark and one is extremely dark. Got the shade Maple Syrup, and yeah, you can see the slight, I mean, I have a lot of henna on my hand, so you won't be able to see, but I will put up a clip over here. This is a beautiful contour, blends easily, gives a beautiful subtle finish. I've been using it for the last 1 month now and I love it. I think they would have, I am assuming that their blushes will also perform the same, but if you're really looking for a good cream contour, get your hands on this one. It is so good. I mean, I'm so glad that brands like Tipsy Beauty have been doing so well in India, and there's a reason these products go viral. So yeah, I love the packaging also, by the way, so this is absolutely worth your money. Next two viral products are CeraVe. When CeraVe launched in India, people went crazy. Everybody started talking about it, and one of the most hyped up products, which comes in a tub and a tube, is their moisturizing cream for dry to very dry skin. Now, to be very honest, dermat brands like, you know, Cetaphil, Bioderma, for some reason they don't really work that well on my skin. I mean, it always clogs my pores and makes it comedogenic. I don't know why, but it has always happened with me, especially for a brand like Cetaphil. So I always stay away from that, and I thought that the same will happen with CeraVe, because CeraVe is also like your countertop dermat recommended brand, like, you know, more like your chemist skincare. So I was like, okay, but let's just give it a try. So I got this combo and I am so glad that I got this combo. First of all, let's talk about their moisturizing cream. This is from dry to very dry skin and I got it in 50 ml. The fact that it comes in 50 ml and it's for like 350 rupees is so good, because you can try it out. I have been using it for almost 2 months now, and you can see how much is left. It's left a little bit. This 50 ml also works really well. I've been using it for my nighttime skincare routine. This is hands down the best. It's non-comedogenic. It didn't give me breakouts. It's hydrated my skin so well. It goes so well with all of my other serums that I've been using at the nighttime. Whether it's a potented serum or like a thick serum like the Estee Lauder one, this thing works really well, and I'm so glad that this product didn't disappoint me. I know people buy like the huge tub of this, which comes for like 2,000 rupees or something. If at a point I would want to buy it, I wouldn't mind buying it because it's worth your money. You can multi-use it like for your body as well. but if you're looking for a good clean moisturizing lotion or like a hydrating cream, get your hands on the CeraVe one. I just love this. The second CeraVe product that I have is the foaming cleanser for normal to dry skin. Now I've heard so much about the CeraVe's hydrating cleanser. Now to be honest, the hydrating cleanser has gone viral, but I don't know why people don't talk about this foaming cleanser, and I must give credit to it. It is for your normal to oily skin foaming cleanser. This cleanser is so good. I'm a person who really prefers foaming cum gel based cleanser, and this thing is really nice. It comes in this sort of a packaging. Again, this is a 88 ml one, so affordable mein aa jata hai aapko easily. And these are available on Amazon as well, guys. So yeah, if you're really looking for a good foaming cleanser, you can go this and pair it up. They both work really well. And I've been using it for 2 months closely now, and you can see the amount I've used up. So yeah, it's still there. It's going to last me for another 2 weeks. I will be sharing an in-depth review about these as well to give you kind of a comparison with other available products in the market. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Overall, I would definitely recommend these. The next viral product that I have is the Minimalist Melic Bond Complex. This was out of stock for the longest time. I think now they have regulated their, manufacturing for this, so it's always in stock. This bottle, I was so like kind of skeptical because again, Minimalist is one of those brands that is your, countertop clean dermat sort of a brand like CeraVe, Cetaphil, and I thought that it'll break me out because 90% of Minimalist products work like that on my skin, and I thought कि ये भी मेरे बालों को कुछ नहीं करेगा, but to my surprise, this thing has been like a game changer. I have made a proper video on my hair care recommendations. I'll leave that video below. Do check it out. And I've spoken a lot more about this product there, but overall, I absolutely love this one. This Melic Bond Complex is so much better than the Olaplex one as well. It is a bit pungent. It smells a bit off. Yeah, it smells a bit off, and I've been using it for the last 3 months, guys, and you can see you don't need a lot of it. I still have a lot, and I think it's going to last me till the end of the year. I use it once in 2 weeks or once in a week depending on kind of the hair that I want, and it has worked beautifully. Like, you can see the difference in my hair, guys. This is a product that you should have. If you have not tried it, please try it. And it doesn't mean that your hair needs to be colored or damaged and then only you can use this. No, you can use it on your regular hair as well, irrespective of the damage, and this is just going to add on. I love it. I think Minimalist did a great job with this product. The next product that went viral, and you guys would have already guessed my opinion on these, are these L'Oreal Eye Serum. I think the main reason they went viral were because of these rollerball applicator, and the hyaluronic acid one is the one that actually went viral, and I love it. This is my 3rd bottle, guys, you already know. But recently I've been consistently using the Glycolic Bright Under Eye Serum, which again comes with the same rollerball applicator. And oh my god, I have finished this like to the last drop. Only a little bit is remaining, faster than the hyaluronic acid one, because this thing also didn't disappoint me. So both of these are great. You can use it either one in the night and one in the day, or you can use it for the targeted concern. Like, this is more for hydrating and plumping to remove the dullness, and this is more for your dark circles, and they both work. There's a reason they went viral. Ideally, people think it's for the applicator, but no, the product is so good. And I'm not going to talk more about it because I've recommended any number of times. Next product that went viral, and if you've watched my hair care recommendations video, if not, I'll leave the link below, is the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance. I think it's a very old cult product, and I recently got to try it out. I bought it on my birthday in the month of June, and you can see how much I've used it already. This is crazily expensive. It's available on Amazon. It is expensive, I know. This bottle costs for like 3,300 rupees, but it is worth every penny, guys. Like, I have never seen a shampoo work so well in the first use itself, and it goes well with all of your complexes. Like, I pair it up with the Melic Bond Complex, and I use the Olaplex shampoo. Love it. I absolutely recommend this product, and you know what, save money, invest in this if your hair is extremely damaged, and you will see the results. The next viral product is the Indie Wild Lip Balm. It is their 2% vegan butter and peptide lip treatment. This, oh my god, was everywhere. People were comparing it as a dupe of the Rhode lip balm, and I was so eager to try it out. I finally got my hands on it, and I've been using it for a really long time, and god, it is so good. I mean, it's way better than your Laneige lip balm. Like, Laneige lip mask is my cult favorite. Nobody is going to replace that. but this is so much better than their lip balm. Like, I know people do not like the Laneige lip balm variant compared to the lip mask, and that's when you can go for Indie Wild one, because this is so good. It's like a ghee sort of a thing, but it's a vegan lip butter, so there's no ghee. I really like it. It's really hydrating. It's got almost no scent, and it's got peptides as well. Very similar to your Rhode lip balm, like they say, but I'm really impressed by it. I really want to try out their Chumpy oil as well, which has again gone viral. So let's see, but this Indie Wild lip balm is really good. Last product that I have is something that I don't know why it took me so long to try it out. It was with me since almost 3-4 months now, but I just didn't try it out that often until I went on this wedding trip and I used it, and I was blown away by this product. And yeah, this is the No Sebum Mineral Powder by Innisfree. This went viral because it's like a oil control powder that you can not only use on your face and body, but also on your hair as a dry shampoo. So it's like an all-in-one No Sebum mineral powder. I love the cushion. First of all, these Korean products have these beautiful cushion. This is so good. I've used it on my face. It works crazily. Like, it just mattifies your face and gives you a beautiful glow. But guys, I have directly used this powder for my hair as a dry shampoo, and it is so much better than the dry shampoos available. Like, I was stunned, and I mean, no doubt it took me so while to try this product out, even though I had it since a really long time. But I feel like this is one of the best viral products because it's multi-purpose. Secondly, it's compact and convenient, lasts long, and gives beautiful, amazing results. So yeah, I'm really impressed by this Innisfree's No Sebum powder. You should definitely have this one in your wallet no matter what, like in your handbag everywhere you're going, because it's so versatile and it's so freaking good. I just love it. I'm definitely gonna keep on buying this again and again because I was stunned. Like, I don't have to buy a dry shampoo now separately because this thing works amazingly. Trust me, you will feel like you've just washed your hair. That's how amazing this is. So yeah guys, these were all the viral products that I absolutely love. I have already ordered a lot more viral products like the Foxtail Purple face mask and other things. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'll soon be sharing these with you all, and like I told you, you can find all of these products on Amazon during the sale right now, so I'll leave the links below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.